Hi guys. So today you're doing a Desmos activity where you want to have your marbles slide to take out all of your stars. And to do that, you're going to have to write a quadratic function when given zeros. And this is something that you may not have realized that you've done in the past. So let's get started. I'm looking at number 3 here. And I could tell here's my stars, and anything that you've ever graphed before was a line. And I can't really do any type of line where I would take out maybe 1 or 2 stars at the most. Maybe I could put a line like this and I would take out that star. Or I can do a line like this, calculating the slope and the y-intercept, and I can maybe take out these 2 stars, or maybe a straight line and I could take out those 2. But no line will help me take out all 3 stars. So what we want to do is make a parabola. Parabola is a graph of a quadratic function. So let's write a quadratic function given the zeros. So I could tell, looking at the graph, that my zeros are at -2, 0, and -6, 0. You can see these in your stars up here. These are your solutions, zeros, x-intercepts, or roots. I've seen them referred to as all 3. Depends on your book or your teacher. So I have a 0. I have my solution. X is -2. And x is -6. Well, let's think how we got them. We probably got them from a factor, x plus 2, and we set it equal to 0, and we got our answer. And this one, since it was -6, we solved the factor x plus 6, and that was equal to 0. And where did we get those factors from? Well, we factored a trinomial, and finding the factors is the inverse property of multiplying these 2 binomials. So if I multiply these 2 binomials, I distribute the x, I'll get x squared. X times 6 is 6x. Distribute the 2, I get 2x. And I distribute the other 2, the 2 and the 6, and I get 12. Well, we have a pair of like terms here. So I'll just clean this up a bit, and I get x squared plus 8x plus 12. Now, let's go to our Desmos activity and type that in. So on this screen, I'm going to type in what we just did on paper, but instead of a 0, I'm going to put a y. So y equals x squared. And you can see that the parabola forms, and this is our what's called our parent function. And we're going to do plus 8x. Still won't take them out. Plus 12. Now, when I hit launch, they launch. Here they go. And they took out all 3 stars. So to take these stars out in this activity, I'm going to need a quadratic function. So use this video to write your quadratic functions so that your marble will take out all the stars. Good luck.